Okay, this is Rohan, and today we are going to be looking at data analysis Toolpak, which essentially is a powerhouse statistical processing part of Microsoft Excel. And a quick note that it doesn't come activated on every computer. You have to actually go in and activate it, and there is a video that's posted that shows how to do that. But you can check to see if it is by hitting on the data tab, and when you hit on the data tab you should see a data analysis tab that comes up here. If you don't see that, it means you probably have to go in to activate that particular feature. So if we have this set of data here and we want to do some statistical processing for these, you hit on data analysis and then it gives you a whole host of possibilities. Now all of these, ANOVA single factor, ANOVA two factor with replication, and the list goes on. These are statistical processes that you can perform on data. And once you understand what the theory behind these are, then you will know which one you need to select. So walking in to use the data analysis Toolpak, it does a lot for you, but it doesn't tell you which process you are needing to do. So you absolutely have to understand the theory behind this. So let's say we wanted to find the average age and some basic data surrounding the ages for the information we have here. Click on descriptive statistic, then click on OK. The next thing it asks you for is for you to tell it, okay, what is the input range? Where is the data that I'm processing? That's the first thing that it's asking you for. So if you highlight the data that you are processing, so you wanted to look at the data in cell B2 down to cell B16, and the next thing you do is tell it what type of output you want. We are just looking for summary statistics, and you can tell it where to put the data. In this case, we're going to put it in a new worksheet, or you can put it in a particular output range. Like if I wanted it just to appear here, I would click on that cell, or if you wanted a new workbook. So once that's done, and there are other options here, and again, it comes back to you understanding the theory of what you are working on, and then you will know what to select from the multiple options. Importantly, I didn't select B1, which is the cell with age. If I did, then I would have to say there's a label in the first row. So you have to watch for that. You can either not put the one with the label, or if you include it, then you have to check this box. So you go ahead and click OK, and then Excel turns out a multiplicity of data related to the data that we inputted. So let's just copy this real quick so we can put it side by side. And you expand that cell so you can see everything. And then what this is saying for this set of data here, the mean is 41, standard error is 5.46, the median is 41, there's no mode, and the standard deviation and etc. Everything is here. So that's how you would have a shortcut to get to these. All of these you can calculate quote unquote manually in Excel, but the data analysis is a quick and easy way to get to that, and it is useful for other processes. So just to summarize the essence of it, you click on data, which is here in this ribbon, then you're going to select data analysis. Once you select the data analysis, you're going to select the type of statistical processing that you wish to perform. Once you've done that, it will request you state the inputs, and you set some factors based on your knowledge of the particular statistical process that you are performing, and you hit OK, and it will put the information where you have dictated that it goes. And if it's a new sheet or a new workbook, it will take you to that, so you won't be at a loss as to where you have the data. Alright, so that's basically an introduction to using data analysis Toolpak. It's going to be absolutely useful If you haven't started to use it yet, which I am realizing that several students have not, then this is meant to be an introduction, and certainly I'm going to be showing how to use it in the future. So I wanted to start with this pretty basic process that shows you the steps involved in the use of data analysis. This is Rohan, and thank you for watching.